Hello and welcome to the Scatterable channel, and today we're here at the Acer Predator Suite for Computex 2025. And as someone who does gaming and content creation, they are bringing a laptop I'm actually genuinely excited about. This here is the Triton 14 AI, but trust me, there's a lot more to this. So first of all, let's just start with the specifications, because once you know what's inside of this laptop, you'll see all the sorts of engineering prowess that has gone into this laptop to help properly cool it off and deliver excellent power efficiency. So first of all, you're given the Intel Core Ultra 9 processor 288V. This is on the Lunar Lake architecture, so it's Intel's most power efficient, yet power delivering CPU architecture. And what's really awesome about it is that you can run these CPUs at such a low wattage, yet they'll still be good for everyday normal tasks. But then if you wanted to bump things up and run something more demanding like a video editing software or gaming, the CPU will spool itself up while still keeping temperatures low. The 288V also comes with multiple cores and threads, so it's great for more than just gaming. It can do workstation and productivity applications. And don't forget, it's got onboard AI support with up to 48 AI tops. And additionally, it's Copilot Plus certified. So hey, it can really do anything, but that's just the CPU. It also has mobile RTX 5070 graphics, 32 gigabytes of DDR5 memory, 2 terabytes of built-in storage. But look at the display here. This has a special WQXGA Plus 2880 by 1800 display that, get this, has the DCI P3 100% certification that is Kalman verified. So it's a little bit more than your standard creator laptop. This is surely gonna give you the most accurate color reproduction and whatever photo editing or video editing software that you use. So that's just all about the laptop. But again, look at it. How is it able to achieve all those specifications in this size and this sort of portability of a laptop? And that all comes down to its revolutionary cooling, which is the thing that I'm most excited about this. Me, I'm a bit of a sucker for laptops that are cool and quiet, which has been a little bit of an issue with laptops that have a dedicated mobile graphics card, but not the case with the Acer Predator Triton 14 AI. This is the first laptop that features graphene TIM on the CPU, which increases its thermal capacity by about 15%. Here it says 14.5, and this is different from liquid metal. This is actually better. Additionally, you have the latest 6th generation AeroBlade 3D fan, which is the world's thinnest 0.05 millimeter metal blade, which offers about 20% better airflow and efficiency than just a standard fan that would come in any other laptop really on the market. So combine those two innovative features with, again, a vapor chamber with up to 20% more efficiency than traditional heat pipes, and vortex airflow with strategic fan and foam placement, and you can see why. You've got that Intel Core Ultra 9 with RTX 5070 mobile graphics and everything else that comes with the Triton 14, and you can see that this laptop does not compromise portability for performance, which is awesome. Also, check this out. The screen is touchscreen for those of my creators out there, and you're also given this cool little stylus, which you can use in addition to the trackpad here for any sort of art applications on this laptop. So that is the Triton 14 AI. It is a blazingly cool laptop, something that I think would be really awesome for people like me who do gaming and content creation. So it's definitely worth checking out, and a really cool product from Acer. Also, I wanted to show you guys this. Here are some of the Acer's graphics cards, including the Intel Arc B580. I like this because this is an excellent entry-level graphics card for most 1080p and some 1440p gamers. And this is coming out from Acer Predator's lineup. Really cool to see, 12 gigabytes of VRAM. It's just cool to see one of these in person. I'm surprised because most of this is metal with some plastic right here, but check out this cool Intel Arc logo right here on the graphics card, which is a nice little touch to see. And you've got the Nitro right here. It's great to see Acer breaking into the graphics card scene, so I just wanted to quickly show you guys this. And this is the last thing I wanted to show you guys here at the Acer Predator Suite. We've got this really cool 1440p 500 hertz monitor. That's just ludicrous. Again, the bar for delivering some high refresh rate, high resolution monitors just keeps going up every year, and Acer is bringing it with this Predator X27U F5. And I mean, okay, right now the FPS is limited to 230. I would want to see what this looks like at 500. because I can only imagine just how ludicrous it would be. But it's awesome to see Acer breaking into the monitor market with monitors like this. Otherwise, that's all the cool stuff I wanted to show you here at the Acer Predator Suite. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. And if you enjoy Computex videos, this may be one of our later ones, but nonetheless, you should subscribe if you made it to this point in the video. So with all that said, thank you so much for watching, and this is the Scatterable channel, signing out.